You are welcome to be here at EPSON's and DTU stand. I would like to know what you think about the product, what the experience you have, just a little experience you have already have.
Yeah, so for me it's something quite interesting. For sure, for patients, depends on the dentist. I think I have to practice more or experience more, so for sure I will try more.
But do you think it's a good idea?
Yeah, it's a great idea. It's for some dentists will be really great to use it because they can see more, and also recording. I like the recording.
Yes.
Yeah, that you can record.
You have to record
So
patients.
for patients, yeah, how you scan, and so then maybe you can send to patients. Yeah, so
Good.
from this point of view, I see some opportunities.
Okay, and you?
I think that the ability to see the scan without having to look at the screen is, it's a great idea because you can concentrate on the scanning rather than turning your head and looking at the screen. But I think the picture is very, very clear. It's a really nice picture, and the fact that you can see, around you, you can still look down, you can look to the side and see some, it's not completely immersing you like say a VR headset or something like that. I think that's nice.
And I'd like to know also about the entertainment. So,
yeah, I think for patients, it would be a great sort of in-chair entertainment system. They could watch Netflix or YouTube or any practice promotion videos. So yeah, I mean, it's a good idea. Nice.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I do want to say you're the patient now, and you need to tell
Smart
me.
View Glasses software for dentistry. You can send audio text to the doctor during your seating. We are testing the SVG 2.0 by DTU.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
You are welcome here at the EPSON DTU.
Yeah, great sound. We
like
love the technology.
Yeah, it's an absolutely revolutionary new glasses. We love it. I mean, it's just amazing. For me, the quality of the screen. You think that when you put these glasses on, and the stuff I've had before, very grainy. Even if you use, your phone on those viewfinders and things like that, it's always very grainy.
Yeah.
This is an amazing
Or too
quality
heavy.
screen. Or too heavy.
For example, the Microsoft HoloLens is very big. For me, when I'm looking through this, but the guy who recommended this was actually, we should give credit, Martin Natarian. So Martin, thank you. He recommended these, and when we've come over to the stand, me being honest, and I think probably a lot of people would see these and think that what you're going to see when you look out is maybe a little picture, or maybe something which is see-through. But when I'm looking at this, and yet this has got the screen here, but I can flick this up and I can see out, and it's still exactly the same. It's not see-through. I can see everything very clearly in focus, and I can control the menu very easily without any problem. So just by touching icons and selecting through what I'm going to go through, talk to the patient indirectly without verbal communication is, definitely something very.
The other thing that I really like about it is that it fits over glasses without smudging your glasses. Really cool design. So very, very good.
Impressive.
Yes, thank you.
Very good.
Yeah, it's really impressive actually. So I'm currently watching a video through these glasses and listening to the audio at the same time. And it's almost like this image is being projected in front of me. And now the full team at the IDDA is watching me use it as well. No, it's really impressive. It looks really good. Nice. Very good.
And in terms of kind of resolution, what do you think?
Say that again, sorry. And the scanner as well, yeah, so it looks like it would actually make the life far easier, like we were saying. You could scan the patient and you can scan whilst looking directly into the image, rather than having to turn your back, constantly looking at the monitor. You can just look straight ahead really, so looks very good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm really impressed by this. It's a fantastic product, and we looked at this at the IDS showcase earlier on, but now it's really come to the market in the UK, and I'm really looking forward to using this in my practice. I'm using it with both Carestream and with Omnicam, and I think this will really revolutionize the way I'm working, and I think also in a teaching situation that could be something that brings it to a different level. I think the patients will love it as well, especially when you go in dark mode. Thank you.
The two uses of these vision glasses is amazing. Primarily for the patient, everything I've found and been working with so far, because it's gyroscopic orientated, every time I would lay the patient back, you lose the picture. This is the first time I've been able to watch 3D in a supine position. Regarding using the glasses when you scan, the clarity and the ease of use is so quick that I find this to be absolutely amazing.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Thank you.